In this video, I'm going to teach you how we can use the basic concepts of probability in solving some questions which are very popular in exam. For example, question on chess game is quite popular and it is asked in a lot of schools in practice test, in exams. So let us see how we can apply the basic concepts of probability in different type of questions in chess, in cards, in pebbles. There are a lot of things we can do. Similar way to do it, very easy to apply a simple formula. So let us take an example. There is a student Meera, and Meera is playing a tournament of 9 games at school. And Meera won 6 games, lost 2 games, and drew 1 game. So total number of games what Meera played is 9 games. Winning is 6, losing is 2, draw is 1 game. Now let's say the plan for next year is that Meera is going to play total number of games 108. So that is what the expected number of games what Meera is going to play next year, and we have to work out that what could be the chances of winning, how many games Meera could lose, and what could be the chances of draw. So let us see the basic formula first, and we'll try to solve this question by simple concept of probability. As we know, probability is given by a ratio, which is total number of successful outcomes divided by total number of tries. So let us work out how many times Meera has won. So probability, let's say PR for wins, is equal to how much? 6 game Meera won out of 9. Let us work out the probability of losing. Let's say probability of losing the game was 2 games out of total number of games 9 in the tournament. Probability of draw was 1 out of 9. So we know the probability of each chance out of the tournament where Meera has played 9 games. Let us work out the experimental probability if the number of games are more. So we'll work out expected number of losses. So let's say this is expected number of wins. So let's start with wins. So it will be how much? 6 over 9 times total number of games what Meera is going to plan for next year is 108. If we do a simple calculation, we are getting 72 times. Similarly, if you want to work out the total number of expected number of losing the games next year, would be simple. Let us work out. It will be 2 over 9 times 108. It will be 24 times. Let us work out total number of draw. If we have 108 games to be played next year, so probability is 1 of 9 times 108. Answer comes out to be 12 times. So in this question, we have seen how we can apply the probability in different situations, and the same concept of probability can be extended in different type of questions in exam. For example, coins are tossed. We have cards, 52 cards, we are playing some games. There's some jar, we have some pebbles of different colors. We generally play a lot of questions where we have 2 dice and 1 dice we are throwing and trying to work out what possible outcome could be, and then we can have different games and different combinations. If you want to learn more on these, please contact Newton Classes Australia and subscribe our channel. Thank you.